Last year, I hit a wall always tired, sluggish, and relying on endless cups of coffee. Then, I discovered the power of antioxidants. Within weeks of adding these foods to my diet, I tried these 7 antioxidant-rich foods and my energy skyrocketed. Blueberries, the brain-boosting powerhouse. These tiny berries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that improve blood flow to the brain and reduce oxidative stress. They help enhance focus, memory, and energy levels, making them the perfect morning boost. Dark chocolate, the delicious energy enhancer. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that improve circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cells more efficiently. Plus, it has a small amount of caffeine and theobromine, natural stimulants that provide a gentle energy lift. Spinach, the iron-rich superfood. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen to your cells, and spinach is one of the best plant-based sources. It also contains vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron better, preventing fatigue and keeping you energized throughout the day. Almonds, the perfect on-the-go fuel. Almonds are loaded with vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats, providing a steady release of energy. Magnesium plays a key role in converting food into fuel, while the healthy fats help sustain your energy levels for hours. Green tea, the natural energy booster. And like coffee, green tea offers a smooth, sustained boost without the jitters. It contains catechins and L-theanine, which work together to enhance focus and metabolism while reducing stress, making it an excellent choice for long-lasting energy. Oranges, the hydrating vitamin C bomb. Feeling sluggish? Dehydration could be the culprit. Oranges are rich in vitamin C and water content, helping to keep your body hydrated and your immune system strong. The natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, making them a great mid-morning snack. Sweet potatoes, the slow-burning carb champion. Unlike refined carbs that cause energy crash, sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that release energy gradually. They're also packed with fiber, vitamin A, and manganese, supporting metabolism and sustained stamina throughout the day. I ditched the afternoon slump, and so can you. Add these foods to your daily routine and feel the transformation: more energy, better focus, and a healthier you. Try it and thank me later.